Make a volcano. Materials: modeling clay, vinegar, baking soda, carton base, and plastic cup. Purpose: observe the chemical reactions. Steps: put in the carton base a plastic cup and put modeling clay. 2. Add vinegar and 2 teaspoons of baking soda.
De hecho, era más vinagre.
Era más vinagre.
More vinegar. Yeah, that's it. Wow, thank you. Thank you.
Make a volcano. Materials: vinegar, salt, and you modeling clay. Purpose: observe the reaction of the vinegar with baking soda. Steps: use modeling clay to make a light cone-shaped volcano around the soda bottle. Be careful not to get any clay in the bottle or in the mouth of the bottle. 2. When you have your volcano, use the funnel to pour 1 liter of warm water into the bottle in the center. 3. Add a few drops of red food coloring to the water in the volcano. 4. After adding the food coloring, put in a 5 drops of detergent. Finally, pour several tablespoons of vinegar in the volcano. Then move away from the volcano and watch it happen. Good. Oh yeah, bitch.